Okay, I don't know how well you can hear this, but my washer is making a beat. It's not just a rhythm, it's a beat.